So I'm just gonna take some of the Erica J glue and put it all around the hairline, just like that. Nothing too much. Just gonna push it back a little bit so it can be a nice thin layer. Okay. And just make sure you take your time with this part. You guys, it's 2022, almost 2023. I know y'all know how to put your wigs on now, because I have shown you guys everything. Well, I'm gonna do a more detailed video on like plucking and how I prep my wigs to look so flawless before I even put them on my head. So I'm gonna definitely show you guys that. Okay, you guys, I know it's a little white on this side, but it's okay. I kind of not know how to do it, but you want to make sure that your wig is completely dry. I'm going to put pressure on it and really push it down inside of the glue. I was just taking my one curl and just kind of like trying to put a little wave in it a little bit, but I'm going to redo it. I was just trying to see how it would look. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off. What is this? Piece of lint. Trying to hate on my wig. Okay, so it is time for me to cut the lace off. So let's do that. I like to cut majority all of my lace off. I'm gonna use the eyebrow archer. Come through lace, yes. Okay, so pretty much all of the lace is off. Now I'm gonna go just do some touch-up work and just make everything blend better. And by touch-up, I'm just gonna take a little of this spray, this glue, and I'm gonna just, you know, lift it a little bit just so it can be melted, because it's still up a little bit. And I don't like that. So y'all know I just go under and add glue underneath the lace that's lifting a little bit. So I'm gonna do that. And I'm just gonna put in probably about 5 or 6 curls going backwards, like so. Let me show y'all. Roll it on my one curl. Hold it for about 10 seconds. And release. So I'll do that for about, I would say about 6 times, because I want the curl to not be like so defined. Hold it, let it go. Big chunks of hair, not small chunks of hair, like pretty nice size. This hair is really soft. So we're gonna do this all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let go like that. Hold it a little bit so the heat can kind of cool off in my hand. Perfect. Okay, you guys, so we just put our little raggedy curls in. It's okay because we don't plan on, you know, we're not really going for the curls. I'm gonna spray it with a little got to be, like so. Now I'm just gonna take my wig brush and brush the curls. Okay. Cut a few layers up in here. Sorry about the squeaky chair. I want to get another one, I promise. I just haven't gotten around to it. Why is this blade so weak? Okay. This blade is way better, so I'm just cutting some layers just so the hair can sit properly even when it's not curled. I probably can put a little bit more curls right here. Yeah, that's fine. Do a little quick little tuck. That is cute. And then once my hair completely dry, I'll kind of fluff this part up. It's pretty long. This hair is pretty long. It's really nice. Really, really nice. I know it'll look cute as a flip over as well. I know it will. Good night.
Good night.
Have a good night.
Okay.
You guys, I'm just gonna flip it over and just see how it look as a flip over as well, cause y'all know I'm a flip over girl. Let's see. I just want to see what it's giving as a flip over. Of course, I would curl it a little different if I was to flip it over, but it is really nice as a flip over too. Like, this is more me, and then I'll probably like cut the ends off a little bit to about right here, just to make it look a little bit more blunt. I like my ends to be a little bit blunt, so I'm gonna cut. I don't know, when you cut the ends off, y'all, it makes the hair look healthier and just fuller to me. I always do that. I always tell myself, I'm not gonna cut it, I'm not gonna cut it, but then I go to cut it. But just cut the ends off a little bit. Just a little bit. And then we'll be good to go. We'll be all done. So I probably cut like 3 inches of hair off. So, but that's just, I like it like that. It just looks more sexy. I love a side part. It's just so me. Okay, you guys, so here is the finished look. I kind of moved a little bit from in front of those big lights so you guys can really see the color of this unit and the way I kind of styled it. I kind of like it like pushed over like this and look like a little effortless messy curl. Y'all know that's my vibe. So make sure you guys check them out. I just wanted to come and show you guys how I'll be styling the hair every single day. And the curls are gonna drop even more. But I love the hair. It's really nice and it's super, super soft. So check them out. I'll leave everything down below in the description box for you guys. Bye guys.